My name is Mose Mullet, owner of Highland Masonry LLC. Been in the masonry line for basically 50 years. We're working on the FinishWorks project here, where we did a lot of masonry work, the ICF office building. Now we're installing the NewBrick.
This is the first time we've used the product. It definitely was a good learning experience, where it can be used, how to support it.
You know, you don't need a foundation for it. It's so light. I mean, you can carry 2 bundles, one in each hand, and it's not heavy.
You know, looking at the R value and getting that continuous insulation, that's an advantage compared to some of the more traditional wall systems.
I was impressed with the surface of the brick, how strong it is. We got established, got perfectly level to start with. Then the product pretty much takes care of itself, staying level and straight. It's not hard to make it eye-pleasing. It's going to look like brick when we're done.